GoPro,
compare,
GoPro,
compare.
Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter.
Hello. 7 screws, 1 plate. Well, good news if you're watching this. It means that my aging 2013 MacBook Pro Retina hasn't burst into flames while trying to render its first 4K video. It also means that my French broadband has managed to upload it to YouTube without taking like an entire week to do so. Enough of the frivolity. This video, what I want to do is to try to compare footage from the new GoPro Hero 9 against last year's GoPro Hero 8.
Shall we play a game?
I have recorded about 9 different clips, and each one of them, each clip is about 10 seconds, but basically each shot is about 30 seconds. So you have 10 seconds with one camera, 10 seconds with the other, and then a mixture, split screen of both of the cameras together to see if you can work out which one is which. The cameras will swap around from time to time, so you won't always know that, let's say, the 8 won't always be A or the 9 won't always be A. I'd love to see your opinion. While I was editing this, I found it very difficult to actually work out which one was 8 and which one was 9. Before we start, very quickly, if you're interested, here are the pro settings that I have used for all of these clips. Yeah, so basically they are virtually running the same. And I will see you then in about 4 minutes when you've gone through all the clips. So, how did you do? Well, here is a list of all the clips that were recorded on the GoPro Hero 9. I'd like your honest opinion if you watched this in 1080p or if you watched it in 4K. How many did you get right? If you could leave me a comment down below. This is it. And just to be fair, this was never meant to be like a gotcha video. I see so many people who are currently going, oh, you know, I must get the Hero 9 type of thing. And when Hero 8s are still incredibly good value. And it all depends what you want them for, whether you want it for the front screen of the 9 or whatever. For me, the selling points of the 9 for what I do, I primarily use this as skiing, is that last year I went and followed someone skiing with this, with linear on, and somebody commented whether I was using a gimbal because it was so smooth. The new horizon leveling on this makes that even more so. Also, the removable lenses, it was a big selling point for me. I don't care about 5K and all that other stuff. But anyway, that's just mine. I'd love to know what you thought. Comment down below. If you found this interesting, leave me a like. And if you'd like to see more like this, click the subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.